experiment, I take butter, balloon, vinegar and water. First I pour some water into the butter. Mix the vinegar with water. Then I put the Eno into the baby. Then I take up the balloon. Then I take the March bubbles rise up and the balloon become Eno and balloon. First I pour some water in the bottle. Vinegar with the water into the balloon. At the mouth of the bottle. Then I stir up the balloon. Then I shake it gently. Then Eno and vinegar mix. When Eno with sodium bicarbonate mixed with vinegar which is acetic acid.
What you want to do?
I am going to do the experiment water, oil and color.
Good. Start it.
For this experiment, I need 2 big size glasses. 1 small size glass, water, spoon, 2 different colors and oil. First I pour some water into 2 glasses. Then I pour some cooking oil into 1 glass. Then I mix it properly. Here we can see that water and oil did not mix. Oil puts on top of the water. Then I pour some oil into 1 small size glass. Then I add 2 different colors. Then I mix it properly. Here we can see that color and oil did not mix. Then I add this oil and color mixture into water. Here we can see that water and oil did not mix and color comes from straight over the water. Because color is water based, but oil forms a distinct layer on top of the water.
Good. Start.
Good morning, sirs. My name is Devanshi Maiti. Today my experiment is on artificial volcano. For this experiment, we need water, red food color, hand wash, vinegar and baking soda. First I pour some water. Then I pour some red food color. Give some hand wash. Then I give some baking soda. Finally I add vinegar. After adding the vinegar, we can see the bubbles comes out. Like experiment, I need water, food color, shampoo, baking soda and vinegar. First, I pour some water. Then I add some shampoo. Some vinegar. After adding vinegar, here we can see the bubbles flowing out like a volcano.
when baking soda and vinegar.
2 glasses, 1 matchbox, a yellow packet and water. First I put the candles inside the glasses. Now I put some water inside of the glasses. Now I put yellow powder inside of the first glass. The bubbles form in the first glass, bubbles form and rises after the third.
4. Today I am going to present a science project on water purification, a process by which we can make dirty water clean and safe to use using simple materials like big stones, pebbles, sand, coal, cotton, 7 cups and straw. Let's learn the simple steps of water purification. First, I put big stones in the first cup and then I have some muddy water. I stir it well and put it in the first cup. Stones help purify large dirt particles and debris from the water. Next, I put small pebbles in the cup. Pebbles help purify the water and remove the smaller dirt particles. Next, I put some sand. Next, I put some sand in the cup. Sand helps remove dirt and mud from the water, making the water more clearer. Next, I put some charcoal in the cup. It is important because it removes bad smell and harmful germs from the water. Next, I put some cotton in the glass. Cotton acts like a soft net and traps the smallest particles in the water. When water passes through all these layers, it becomes clean and safe to drink. Clean water is essential for health, but so now we know an easy and safe method to purify water using things found around us. Thank you.
What do you think? Which will be the better? This procedure or Kate AquaGuard procedure which is installed already in your house?
I think this process is better because it is formed by natural things found around us.
Are you install it in your house instead of Kent?
But this water is not suitable for drinking because there are even more germs present in the water. It will be safe to drink after.
My model name is the Human Digestive System. Digestion is the process in which food is broken down in simpler pieces and can be absorbed by our body easily. The digestion starts in mouth and ends in anus. These help us to make it in smaller pieces, and saliva makes softens the food by which we can swallow it, and then it enters in esophagus and then enters into a sac-like organ called stomach, and most of the digestion occurs here. Then it enters into the small intestine and every minerals are absorbed here, and liver, pancreas and gallbladder produces bile, and every undigested food are absorbed in the walls of large intestine, and at last from anus the germs are exhausted.